Hey guys, this Crypto Marishi does it all, a little bit of everything. SEC deeply regrets errors in crypto case, asks judge to waive sanctions after misleading statements. Are you serious? Can you believe Gary Gensler now regretting giving us all the harsh, hard time not to regulate crypto? Attorneys for the Securities and Exchange Commission apologized to a judge on Thursday for misrepresenting facts used to secure a restraining order and asset freeze against a crypto firm. In a filing submitted to the U.S. District Court of Utah, in response to the judge's order to show cause for its misstep, the SEC attorney wrote that the commission deeply regrets these orders and promised to conduct mandatory training for staff members involved in the investigation. Wow, this is crazy, y'all. I fully appreciate the extraordinary responsibility entrusted to the SEC when enforcing federal securities laws, what SEC Enforcement Chief Gerbil Grewal. I understand that the division fell short of these standards in this case, and I apologize for that shortfall. My goodness, wow. The rare rebuke of the agency stemmed from litigation filed by the SEC in July against the crypto firm Digital Licensing Inc. or Deadbox. In the complaint, the SEC alleged that the project had defrauded investors out of nearly $50 million. My goodness. As part of the lawsuit, the SEC sought a temporary restraining order and asset seizures against the firm and its directors, arguing U.S. District Judge Robert Shelby that the defendants were seeking to move operations overseas to avoid regulatory oversight. To ensure that debt box could not empty its bank account before the SEC took action, the agency filed an ex parte application, meaning the firm was not informed of the proceeding and could not challenge the motion in court. After the judge approached the order, the defendants challenged the SEC was misrepresenting facts. For example, the bank had closed some of its accounts, not the project itself, and the company had transferred much of its operation months before the lawsuit, not immediately preceding it. My goodness. After the revelation, the judge issued a strongly worded order asking the SEC to explain its action, writing that he was concerned that the agency had made materially false and misleading representations and undermined the integrity of the proceedings, with Chair Gary Gensler's escalating his campaign of enforcement action against crypto firm. Many in the industry pointed to the case as an example of the agency moving too aggressively against the sector. You see, the thing is, what I love about America, you have to explain yourself. You got to come back, and if you don't tell these people that are in control, that are in charge, like the judges, the lawyers, what have you done, why you did it, you don't have a good reason to back it up. You're going to have to let us know why you did it. What was your intention? And we have seen Gary Gensler and Elizabeth Warren teaming up, trying to create